So guys, we're launching our program for CAT 21 and all the non-CAT exams as well, CET. So in case you want to apply, you can just call us on the numbers given here in case you want to join a program for CAT 21. Hi guys, today I want to pick up a college which have a very good ROI. Just imagine your fees is 3 lakhs, and average package is 13 lakh. Alright, so let's talk about this GEM college. Look at the batch profile. 53% of the batch is freshers, 10% is 0 to 11 months of work ex, 34% batch 12 to 24, and 3% batch have 36 months of work ex, 25 plus. Commerce 32%, management 3%, engineers 53, science 6, and economics 6%. So engineers are less as well. So that's the one of the advantages for all the non-engineers. Alright, looking at where they've got the job. So treasury 3%, compliance 6%, sales, finance and marketing. The best part which I want to talk about is tests. 12% of the batch have got placement in tests. That's one of the most important area to work for. Credit function, relationship management, product management. We can see the average here. So highest is credit rating, 12%. Alright, coming to the main part of the day today, the final placement report. Batch size is only 33. So every good side have a bad side as well. So batch size is very small, only 33 size. 80% male, 20% female. 6 people got the PPO. Highest package is 24 lakhs. So look at the ROI you're going to get. And average is 12.15, which is, trust me, among the best among all the 3 colleges of DU. Top 10% batch have got 19.67 lakhs. Top 20% 17.18. Top 25% 16.75. So this is any day at par with all the new IIMs. If I compare with IMT Ghaziabad, IMI, all these colleges are same level. Top 50% 14 and top 75% 13.2 lakhs. Now this is the data for 2020. That was 2019 data. Average salary have now increased to 13.33 lakhs. Yeah, fees for the college is slightly high, 3 lakh rupees. अब इंक्रीज हो गया उसका फीस, अभी 3 लाख हो गया. 3 लाख डाल के तुम्हें 13.33 lakh is a average annual package. So ROI wise, again still it is more than 400% ROI. So you can think of applying. Any guess for the college now? So college we're talking about is DFS, Department of Financial Studies, campus DU, yeah, South Campus. Look at the eligibility criteria now. So minimum eligibility criteria, you need to be 50% marks in graduation. This is common for MBA Finance and their BE program. Yeah, you need to have 10 plus 3, 10 plus 12 plus 3 program will do with at least 50% marks from any university, from the University of Delhi or any university in India. Okay. With maths or business mathematics as 12th level. So that's a compulsory rule. You have to have maths at 12th level. So BCom, BA, everyone can apply. Female candidates will get some extra weightage and undergraduates will get some extra weightage. Non-engineers will get the extra weightage. CAT percentile 70%, marks obtained in 10th 10%, for 12th 7.5%, only for maths 2.5%, 7.5 and 2%. Female 5% weightage and non-engineers 5% weightage. So if you're a non-engineer, you'll get 10% extra marks, non-engineer girl. Yeah, for the selection, for the call. For the final selection, so we have the final breakup here. CAT weightage is 57%, 10 12th 10%, GD 7.5. Now instead of GD they might be doing something else, we have to see that. Person interview 20% weightage, female candidate 2.5, and your non-engineers 2.5. There is no marks for work experience otherwise. So this is on this basis you will be converting the call. Yeah, this is for converting the call, and this was to get the call. This is how to get the call. Yep. Step 1, get the call. Step 2 will convert the call. Now let's look at the cutoffs here. So cutoffs for DFS. Sectional cutoff is 70 percentile. You need to get minimum 70 percentile in each of the section. For general category, the cutoff can be anything between 97 to 98 percentile. It can go low as well. So plus minus 2. So if you are at 95, 96 percentile plus, 96 plus, you can apply. ना मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज किया था सर मेरा 75 है, मैं अप्लाई करूँ क्या? अरे भाई 75 पे कैसे कॉल आएगा यार? 96 वाला अप्लाई कर सकता है, ठीक है, बिकॉज 97 to 98 विल बी द कट ऑफ. फॉर OBC it would be around 88 to 90. See why the cutoff is high? Because ये सीटें कम है ना यार, सीटें कुछ है ही नहीं तो वे कहाँ से लेगा वो, इतने कॉल क्यों देगा वो? या फॉर SC 75 approximately and ST 60 percentile. So 60 to 65, 70 to 70 to 75, that should be a tentative cutoff. 75 to 80, sorry, 88 to 90. If you are in that range, you can apply. So DFS is the college we are talking about here. In case you want to apply, today is the last day to apply for the college. So today 10th of Jan is the last day to apply. In case you want to apply, you can apply. All the best.